What else did you get?
I got. Wow, look at all that. I got boots. Brand new boots.
Are they boots?
Yeah, I got brand new boots. Slippers.
They look like slippers.
I got monkeys on them.
Monkey slippers.
Ooh, I got the kind I wanted. New, brand new, and better with pencil on it. Candy. Yay, candy. Ooh, that's it. Ooh, pretty dress. Teddies. Whoa! I got this.
What is it?
Kaya, I got slippers too. Hey, I got candy too. Those are my candy. I got candy too. Kaya, look at my things. Ooh, I have my candy.
Is that a hat I see up there?
Aw, it's so cute. I got the hat. Kaya.
Let's see.
I got a hat. Kaya, look what you got. I know, I saw it. Daddy, guess what? I got a brand new hat.
Awesome.
Isn't it so cute? Hey, I think I got one. Oh,
I was gonna sit there, you know.
it's tattoos. Oh, I get a notebook. It's tattoos. Little kitty one. Ooh, I got a notebook. The little animals turn into, this pen turns into a lamb. Oh, I see it.
Morning.
Silly bands glow in the dark. Space. Look, Abby. That one turns into a sun. See? No, that one turns into a lion. More silly bands. Ah! Silly bands! My silly bands! Those silly bands!
What is it?
Star Wars silly pants. Look, Daddy. Daddy, look at that.
That's cool, huh?
Abby, look. I got Star Wars silly pants.
Abby.
I got Star Wars
She's-
silly pants. Oh, you got Star Wars.
Maybe you guys can trade.
Oh, I got my own thingy, whatever it is. Is it bubbles?
Read it. Let me see.
Get my mom read it now.
It's Sugar Plum Glitter Body Lotion.
Daddy?
Here.
I know it's an eraser, but what's it supposed to be shaped like?
Let me see. Oh, it looks like it has another piece to it. See if there's another piece.
Look. Hey. Hey, look. Abby. Another piece to it. Little piece of glue. Abby,
I don't want to hold them all. Give them to Daddy.
Daddy, those pieces that go together. Hey. I got my brand new bracelet of pencil. Oh, look at all these. No. This is the thing this is another thing. Look, Abby. Pretty, huh? Can you come this way?
Okay, that's beautiful.
Kaya.
I think that's Abby's.
Hey, he lost his little body.
Hey, you guys. Hey, keep your stuff
Hey,
separate.
I got a dolly.
Hey, Janet,
Ooh-la-la-la-la-la.
Let me see. Hold still.
stapler.
A fairy.
Look, Abby, I got
With
a fairy
scissors.
dolly.
And the glue bottle.
What
See?
is he? He lost his body.
Maybe.
All the pieces are probably in there,
They're
sweetie.
probably in there. Take your sock and just dump it on the floor. Or how about we divide up the presents first?